friends, today we're going to draw a cute leprechaun kitten.
We hope you're excited to follow along with us. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so to get ready, we thought it would be really fun to draw the cutest kitten in the world. That's this guy and this girl, and dress him up as a leprechaun.
Yes.
Yeah. And what are we using for this lesson?
Crayons.
Yeah, crayons and our markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with our little kitten's nose, and we're gonna draw a letter V that's kind of small in the middle of our paper. Then we're going to draw the top curving around to connect. And then we can draw the mouth. We're going to draw a cute one. Letter U coming out to the left and also out to the right to match. Yes, yours is always cuter. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw big kitten eyes. I'm going to draw them this size and another one on the right to match. Oh, you did a bigger
eyes.
too. That's awesome.
They need to be super big for a kitten.
Yeah, for a kitten, they should be bigger. Mine should be bigger too. Then let's draw a smaller little circle in the top left of each eye to make them shiny. Now this next part, we're gonna fast forward, but our art friends can pause the video. We're gonna color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. I made my eyes big to match yours. Now let's draw the face. We're gonna draw a cute chubby cheek face. We're gonna draw a letter U that comes around and over to match on this side. So it's kind of round, like you're drawing an oval shape for the cheeks.
It's wide.
Okay, then we're gonna leave a little space and we're gonna draw our hat. So we're gonna leave space here and we're gonna draw a straight line that goes across the top.
Nice.
Yes, and then we can make this thicker by drawing a little space, or well, another straight line, but with it a little higher, with some space in between them. And then we can connect the top down to the bottom on each side.
I'm not making my hat straight.
Oh, that's okay. It's got a little curve. I like that. But the next time I draw mine, I'm going to draw it like yours. Now we're going to draw the top hat part, the fancy part. We're going to draw a diagonal line. See how it's getting wider towards the top? So it starts down here and then gets wider up here. So you could start like maybe here and then come up to there. And then same thing over here, up to there. And then we can connect the top. I'm going to curve it like you did. I'm going to curve the top. Make it fancier.
Fancy.
Now let's draw the same curve, this curve, kind of right here too. Maybe it's a little less curved because mine's straight, so I did in between. And then we could draw the buckle. We're going to draw two short lines down right in the middle. And connect. Yeah. Sorry, I left a little space and you left a little space. Then inside we're going to draw a really small rectangle shape. What's our kitten missing?
Ears.
Yeah, big ears. We're going to draw big kitten ears. We're going to start here and draw a curved diagonal coming out to the left and one coming out to the right. Whoa, mine's huge.
Oh, I do.
Oh, and you started coming back down too. I like it. You could also draw a little zigzag if you want. I'm going to curve down like this and then add a little zigzag down at the bottom and then do the same thing here and a little zigzag down at the bottom. Oh, I like that you changed it and made it big. That's awesome. Okay, now we're ready to draw the whiskers. I'm trying to think, what should we draw next? Yeah, two curved lines coming out on each side. Okay, now let's draw the body and his or hers fancy leprechaun suit. Let's do the same thing we did for our capybara. We're gonna draw a square right underneath our leprechaun kitten's nose and mouth. Of course.
We always need eyelashes.
Always need eyelashes. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line down and then come back up. Diagonal line down and curve back up. And we can also add a little wrinkle or fold inside. Next, let's draw the body. We're going to draw a short curve coming down from the chin on both sides. And then we can draw the bottom of the suit connecting. Then let's draw the suit. Inside the suit, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming down. And let's add a belt and a buckle down here. We could draw, well, it's just a really big, thick belt. Yeah. I'm going to draw just one line. And then we could also, I'm trying to figure out what to do. Then we could draw, I'm going to draw also a little line on each side. And then right here, I'm going to draw a square. We can color this in so then it makes more sense. There we go. So a little buckle right in the middle of the belt. Fancy little kitten.
Fancy, fancy.
Fancy, fancy. And then we're going to draw the letter V right here underneath for the vest. V for vest.
V, oh yes.
Yeah.
I saw that in the
Capybara.
last one. Yeah, capybara.
I remember. Then let's add the collar. We're going to draw right here. Let's draw a W, or let's see. We'll draw it like this. So short diagonal line in. So you could draw a short one coming into there. And then come back out and back in. Yes, then we're going to do the same thing over here. Short one coming in, then back out, and then connect to the inside.
Whee.
There's his cool little jacket. Now let's draw his legs. We're going to draw 2 short lines coming down.
Here's his legs, sticky legs.
Yeah, stick legs. Then let's draw right here. We're going to draw a short curve underneath the buckle. And then we're going to draw 2 more short lines coming down. This is for his pants. Then we're going to draw a line connecting for the bottom of his or her pants.
Or shorts.
Yeah, or shorts. Let's turn them into pants. We're going to draw the shoes, curving around, letter U, squishy letter U for the shoes.
Whee.
Yes. And what are we missing?
Arms.
Arms were the front legs. We're going to draw a curve coming down right next to the body. And then a short line in for the end of the sleeve. And let's make them fancy sleeves. Oh, your arms are a little short. You could add a little extra for the end of the fancy sleeves. And just like we did for the capybara, we're going to draw a curve for the arm or the hand, and then another one for the small little thumb inside too. Yes, and one more on there. Lips, we did it. We finished drawing our leprechaun cat, a really cute one, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring, but you can also color it
any way you want.
Yeah. All right, let's speed things up. And we did it! We finished coloring our cute little leprechaun kittens, and I love yours. I want to squish those cheeks.
I'm gonna squish your cheek. Squish, squish.
You can pause the video to match our same coloring and also add extra things.
Yeah, like clover and gold.
Yeah, or even rainbows and more leprechauns.
We hope you had fun drawing a cute leprechaun kitten.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.